Today we're featuring a 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ. It's white diamond tri-coat in color. It's got 87,000 miles on it. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Alright, it does have the chrome caps on the side mirrors. Got your running boards down there. Got your lock unlock button on the door handles and on the rear door handles. Driver's side of the vehicle is in great shape. Alright, it does have your rear park assist, rear backup camera. Right, make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in good shape. It's got the turn signals actually in the front of the mirror. Got your blind spot monitoring. And it also has your front park assist as well. Nice chrome grille on the front. Alright, the Tahoe's in great shape. 87,000 miles on a 2015. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black on black door panels. Nice wood grain trim. Got your memory seats, Bose audio, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, foldable mirrors. It's got the nice thick rubber floor mats. Okay, it is a four-wheel drive. All right, it does have your adjustable pedals and lane departure warning. Black leather seating, power driver's seat. All right, driver's seat is in great shape. It does have the sunroof, DVD player. We'll show you that in a second. All right, it's got your captain's chairs with a nice center console, a couple of USB ports and an SD card reader there. Another power supply outlet and USB ports there. Does have your keyless entry key fob, power lift gate, remote start. Okay, passenger seat leather looks good. It does have your air conditioned and heated seats, dual climate controls, CD player, that's navigation, backup camera, all the bells and whistles you could possibly want in an SUV. This Tahoe's got it. All right, push button start, leather wrapped steering wheel with Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls, heated steering wheel, and collision alert. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 87,831 miles on it. It does have your navigation. We'll get you back to your home page here. Okay, these are your different apps and you can scroll through. Alright, let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panel back here looks good. Does have the second row thick rubber floor mats as well. Captain's chairs for the second row, and both chairs back here, the leather is in great shape. Rear heated seats. All right, rear heat, rear air. It's got your remote control for the DVD player. It's got two headphones, sets of headphones back here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a shot of the DVD. All right, there's your DVD player. Go ahead and give you a shot of the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. And let's go ahead and take a look at your third row seats. Alright, third row looks good. And it does have the thick rubber floor mats back here as well. But guys, this Tahoe is in great shape. 87,000 miles on it. You'd never know just by looking at it how well maintained it is. Okay, but it's a 15, 87,000 miles on it. Alright, you got your power lift gate. Carpet back here looks good. A little storage area there. Alright, seats do go down with the push of a button. Alright, we'll do this seat next. Alright, and you can see just how much it opens up back here when you take that third row down. Alright, and then to engage the lift gate, simply press that button. Nice and smooth coming down. Alright, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 20-inch polished aluminum wheels. Bridgestone tires, brand new set of tires almost. I mean, the tread on that is great. Almost a brand new set of tires there. All right, once again, it's the 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ, top of the line, all the bells and whistles. It's got 87,000 miles on it, but this thing is in fantastic shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.